Yeah.
Whoa.
And then look.
There's more.
Whoa, it's coming up again.
Purple, no, I'm sorry, green and red.
Wait for it.
Whoa, it's like a fountain. That's so cool. Nice. Oh, look at it. Whoa. Oh, that's so cool. That was awesome. That one
Let me
was
hear
so
it. Come on.
cool.
Alright,
Yeah.
Was that good?
Yeah.
Then we
High
got
five. Wait.
Then the
What?
Rado.
Okay, you're
Now
out.
we got
You're in.
Dorados, you guys.
You're in.
All right,
You're
Dylan.
out.
Next year
Come
we'll
on.
We'll up it.
What?
Wait.
we'll up the ante next year.
This was up close.
He's a hard kid to please.
It's okay, we
If it
can
wasn't
do
a
it.
Wednesday night, we probably would
We
have
got
over there.
The Rover, honey, that,
Oh, that was a
Piano.
quick finale.
Yeah, it was.
no, they usually, don't they wait?
Oh man, that was super quick.
No, there it goes.
Oh, it's down.
See how many fires are started tomorrow in the valley.
Right.
I don't know why we. Well, that's a long.
I guess we could have.
That was a bummer finale.
I gotta take these guys for scorpion
Oh.
hunt later too.
Oh, where is it? Where is it?
Scorpion.
I hear it.
Yeah, you guys haven't gone scorpion hunting yet?
No.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, we
No.
gotta take you.
Oh god.
The only place they are,
Uh-huh.
I've searched
Don't tell
all of
anybody.
this,
Right.
and the only place I found them is if you walk all the way down that street where the eucalyptus trees are
Uh-huh.
out of our neighborhood. There's some
Right.
there.
Oh,
But you
okay.
have to have the black
You gotta have that
light.
Right.
black light to go.
Light.
Yeah.
Yeah, we did that last.
And they just
last
scream
Friday
around.